Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows PC. If WhatsApp is already installed on your computer, you can first remove it and then install it again. This can be helpful if WhatsApp is not working properly or you want to start with a fresh installation. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now click on Apps and then select Installed Apps. In the search box, type WhatsApp. When WhatsApp appears, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm. Follow the instructions to remove WhatsApp from your computer. Once WhatsApp has been removed, open the Microsoft Store. In the search box, type WhatsApp. Find the official WhatsApp application and open its page. Now click the Get or Install button. Windows will download and install WhatsApp Desktop on your computer. The time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the installation is complete, click Open. WhatsApp Desktop will now launch on your computer. You'll see the WhatsApp login screen with a QR code. Open WhatsApp on your phone and go to Settings or the Link Devices section. Tap Link a device, then use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. After the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp account will be linked to the desktop application. You can now use WhatsApp Desktop again on your Windows PC. So the basic process is simple. Uninstall the existing WhatsApp application, open Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, install it again, open the application, and link your account using the QR code. And that's how you can reinstall WhatsApp Desktop on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tutorials.